planned a bachelorette party for Tumeka and hired male strippers. Akuseshushu kaZoleka, even Qawe and Thandeka were there. Sydney submitted his confession to Zoleka, and Lazarus decided to act against Zoleka's wishes. Zoleka wasn't happy, but he said to her, I'm doing this for us. Kusela is ours, and confessed his love for her. Likamva finally made peace with his dad. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. Tumeka is putting back my pictures Gahlati on the wall. Hlati is so happy saying I'm finally back where I belong. And they look so happy together, eating ekthanda mamgwevu. Ethi Tumeka na hey ngiyakuthanda nami Jambase. Athe awusemuhle her new marital name. They look so happy together. And then Lukamva says to her mom, his mom goes to you look beautiful, mom. Atuma Wakiazi, the way I'm so happy. I wish you and your dad could make peace. Lukamva decides to speak to his dad and tells him, I can see my mom is happy and it's because of you, but it's hard for me to put everything behind us because my mom almost died and you're the one causing her all that pain. And Ubaba Kewachazin, I know, and I'm taking accountability and I can't make excuses for what I did, but I'm trying to be a better man now and make things right. And then they make peace. And then Tumeka invited the church ladies to the house to tell them she's getting married. The man, Utata Wantanabami, has finally made things right and he's married me. So what about you ladies? You have kids with different men and decided, you know what, let me take back my invitation, get out of my house. And then Uzoleka plans a bachelorette party for Tumeka. She's there, pilot no Thandeka no Bonis was saying Bonis must plan everything. And then Uzoleka gets a notification that she has to go to the doctor. Can they not tell us what Uzoleka is now pregnant, carrying Hlati's child? Please, like Tumeka is too happy for any drama to come in between her and Ujambas. And then Tumeka arrives at Zoleka's house in her bridal attire. To her surprise, it's a bridal shower, her bachelorette party. Kawa is also there, no Thandeka. And then Ubonisa brings in our male strippers. Come boys, and then they all give Tumeka attention, stripping for her and all that. She's shocked with how Zoleka. And then they're all giving her attention, and at least she's not happy. She did not get awkward about this whole thing. And the funny thing she said was Kawa, please close your eyes. Auntie, you are Jongile, mama. And then they gave her all that attention. Uthandeka was even saying, hey, Mfazi, enjoy Makoti. How does it feel? Uthandeka was like, we're somewhere well, and she wishes it was her. Mfazi gathula madoda. And then it was such a cute setup. All of them in their pajamas and all. And then, Lazarus knows, they don't see eye to eye regarding the whole Sydney thing. Zoleka wants Sydney to go to prison, but Lazarus was trying to protect Kusela by not letting this thing get public, just firing Sydney. Sydney submits this confession to Zoleka, saying, please, I'm going to take the fall, leave my family out of this. And to Zoleka, you and Hlengwe did this together, so both of you must go down. And then Zoleka walks in on Lazarus and this detective sealing off a deal. Akajabulanga neze uZoleka, but Lazarus says that I did this for us. Kusela is ours, and I love you, Zoleka. Uzoleka is not happy at all, you can see that. But then later on, when Lazarus phoned her, she did say that she loves him back. So it means their love is now progressing. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.